Hey beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I go by Anna. This channel is about love, positivity, beauty, and real life. And if you're down with that, stick around and subscribe. In this video I do get a little bit deep, but when do I not? Just talking to you guys about my goals for 2020, a little bit about 2019. If you watch this video, you will see I have something else planned and it's in the works as we speak. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video and I will see you guys at the end. So I did prime my eyes already, and by the way, everything that I'm going to be using I will link down in the description box below. I am very good at doing that. I link every single product. So anyway, moving on. I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Oh, you guys, I can't get enough of that. I put this on before I put my foundation on. That's a new thing for me. So anyway, so let's get right into this. I wanted to make this video because it's important for me to let you guys know what is coming on this channel and what I'm going to be sharing. Just all of that, everything. So I had like a mini nervous breakdown on Friday. And I said, like, I feel like a failure. And the reason being is because, and I've said this in live streams, my husband is the breadwinner of this household. We don't have any kids, so it's not like we have the responsibility of taking care of children, but I'm at a point in my life where I wish I was a little bit further along with my career and everything. And if you guys do not know, I went to school for 2 years and I dropped out. And I'm talking about college. I just got foundation in my hair. Are you kidding me right now? Blonde girl problems. Oh my goodness. Ugh. I dropped out of college. My dad was sick and there was just a lot going on in my life and I was partying a lot and I was just not taking care of myself, and I am going to do a story time on the time that I had pneumonia. That will be coming. But I thought I was invincible and I honestly didn't know what I wanted to do with my life. I, at one point, thought I wanted to be a teacher. I always wanted to do something where I was helping people. Do you know what I mean? But I've always had a passion for art and for makeup and beauty. And I've always done makeup on friends and things like that, but I didn't start freelancing until about a year ago. And there is so much room to learn and to grow. I've told you guys before, I am a self-taught MUA. I do not go around telling people that I am some kind of like amazing makeup artist. Do you know what I mean? So I don't know if you guys have ever had this happen to you, but there are some days that I wake up and my first thought is, oh my God, I have not yet accomplished this. Or, you might think of something really negative. It happens to me. It happens to me a lot. I'm just very hard on myself. That kind of attitude and that kind of mindset, I'm not going to get anywhere by thinking negatively like that. And it's just something that's been bothering me lately. So in 2020, I want to go back to school. Whether that's taking like one class on a weeknight, just to get my feet wet, or whether that is, taking 3 classes. I don't know yet. But I need to figure out exactly what I want to do. And I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet. And it sucks because I look at, you know, people that I went to high school with and even some of my friends, and they are, you know, already graduated, already have their degrees, and they're doing really amazing things, you know, and they're happy with their lives, and I'm happy for them, you know, don't get me wrong. I'm definitely happy for them. It's just I want to be there too, you know? Like, I want that for myself. I don't want to have to rely on my husband. And my husband is extremely supportive of everything that I want to do in my life. Whatever it is, you know, we've talked about me doing many different things. I know that I want to continue to do makeup for the rest of my life. It's just something that I love, you know, it's something that I love, and I also love to paint. So I want to get back into that in 2020. So yeah, that's for my life. That's what I want. I want to go back to school. I want to do something where I'm helping people. I'm thinking about human resources, but I'm also thinking about maybe like being a counselor or something of that nature. For my channel, I really want to branch out on my channel, and I want to just really dive in, and I want to do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'm doing my Wednesday live streams for right now because part of the reason is I want to be able to connect with you guys on a deeper level. But it's also because I want to be able to have the time to pre-film my videos and be able to edit my videos with working 2 jobs. Do you know what I mean? I want to be able to have that time, and I feel like doing my live streams for right now, my Wednesday live streams, I feel like it's really going to help me be able to achieve the goal that I want. And the goal that I want is to be able to post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Those are really my goals for my life. And then, you know, for my channel, I want you guys to get to know me on a level where you have never known me. Do you know what I mean? I want to share things that I've been maybe too afraid to share, or maybe felt, you know, a little uncomfortable to share. So I did start a second channel. The other channel that I've started is going to just be literally like whatever is on my mind at the moment. Whatever I want to do, like vlogs, if I want to share something deep. One huge thing is I'm trying to separate, you know, a lot of my real life stuff and put that on my other channel and have this channel just be about beauty. And I don't think I can really stress that enough, how much that's what I want. I feel the need to really share more beauty on this channel. It's the reason I created this channel. I mean, yes, I was alone and I felt a certain way, but I want this channel to be all things beauty related. And then, you know, my real life shit rants, which are life updates. That's what I want. I really just want to stress how much I will put my heart and soul into this channel. You know, this industry is very saturated, but that doesn't bother me. That doesn't hinder me. You know, I'm still going to be here, and the people that want to watch me are going to watch me. And, you know, if people don't want to watch me, then they're not going to watch me. It's just that simple, but I'm not going anywhere, god damn it. And you know, I've had a lot of good times in 2019. You know, with the downs, I definitely had ups, and I've met so many amazing people, content creators and subscribers that I talk to, sometimes on a daily basis, but definitely on a weekly basis. You know, that has been amazing. I can't stress to you guys enough how much it means to me to have friends. And I know that sounds kind of sad, right? You know, but it's the truth. I struggle with finding friends right now, just with work. You know, I have a lot of acquaintances, but I don't have a lot of friends. And especially on YouTube, I want to have a lot of friends, and I feel like you guys are my friends. Maybe that sounds naive, but I haven't gotten hurt by any of my subscribers. You know, anybody that says anything, you know, it's usually good critique and they are trying to help me. Obviously, I have had some things happen to me in 2019 that were crappy. You know, I won't get too deep into it, but we'll just say there was a thread out there. I'm sure there will be more instances of that because people are evil. Not everybody's gonna like you, and there are people out there that are not happy with themselves and they don't want to see other people succeed. Those things happen. You know, I'm putting my face and my name out there for the world to scrutinize and, you know, for people to, you know, come after me if they so choose. Like when I got on YouTube, I was afraid. I was scared that, I don't know, I was afraid that nobody was going to like me. I don't know, that sounds so elementary, but I really was. I was like, who's gonna watch me? Nobody's gonna like me. I'm gonna get made fun of. Everyone's gonna say that my makeup skills suck. And like none of those things, like in the grand scheme of things in my life, none of that matters. None of that matters. None of that matters. I was very lonely, you know, and I wanted to share my passions, and that's why I started this channel, and I want to continue to do that. I want to continue to share my love of beauty and all things beauty, you know, when it comes to nails, hair, anything beauty related. I want to hit the ground running with my channel. I want to do way more makeup related content, more looks and things like that. You know, after my bout of depression, I changed a little bit. You know, I didn't do as much beauty on my channel as I used to. I used to, you know, be really excited and hot to it, and I would, you know, film videos on my lunch break. But something changed where I got stressed out. I got stressed out because of how much was on my plate and how much is on my plate right now. And it's hard. Like, I am so tired some days. Like, I just want to come home and eat dinner and go to sleep. You know, I don't feel like editing a video, even though I actually really enjoy editing. Some days I'm like, I can't do this today, you know? And I think it is quality over quantity when it comes to YouTube. I don't want to post bullshit content on this channel. I don't believe in just posting like little filler videos because you weren't able to get something up. I don't believe in that. I believe that if you're not able to get a video up for a certain reason, then wait and post it when you are able to and when you can. I'm going to slap on some liquid eyeliner really quick and I will be right back with you guys. Okay, so let's slap on some eyebrows. My eyebrows have had a difficult past in 2019, but that is all changing, you know? I changed my hair color in 2019. I am now blonde, and I know I have to do my roots. I was going to do them today, but it's getting too late and we're going out, so my other channel is not going to be, you know, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I don't have a set schedule for that channel at all. I will put a card up for it. I don't have any videos up yet. Alright, I am going to pop some lashes on and finish my face, so I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, you guys, we are back, and I threw on a pair of lashes. I actually don't even know what these are called, but I will link them in the description box. Like I said, I'll link everything. I always do. I'm going to throw on a lip really quick. That's everything. I really appreciate every single person that subscribes to my channel. So I hope that you guys join me on Wednesdays. I don't know how long I'm going to be doing the Wednesday live streams for, but I'm going to be doing them for a while until I feel like I am caught up with my content where I'm able to just bang out Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You know, I have a busy life and I'm sure all of you guys do as well. You know, who doesn't? But this channel means the world to me. This channel saved my life. So in 2020, I want to continue pumping out content for you guys. And I hope my goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by 2021. That is my goal currently at the end of the day with my channel in regards to this channel. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers and I know that I can do it. I believe that you have to put in the work to get and reap the benefits in life, no matter what it is. I love you guys. And I'm excited for what 2020 is going to bring. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Oh, one more thing. In 2020, I'm gonna get a proper intro and outro. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I promise.